In this tutorial, we will use entity templates to control which WordPress data is displayed and how it is arranged. We will start with the default template, then build custom templates for an apartment and a WooCommerce product. Entity zones can use the default template without any additional template configuration. It provides a ready-to-use layout for the selected WordPress content and is useful when you do not need a custom structure. For more control, create a custom template. We will build one for apartment entries and name it Apartment Template. The template builder is divided into 3 sections: header, body, and footer. These sections define the order and position of the dynamic content displayed by the entity zone. In this tutorial, we will focus on content structure rather than detailed visual styling. You can use your own CSS to adapt the template appearance to the design of your website. Each template element receives its own CSS class, so it can be targeted and styled independently. Add the title element to the header. Each element can display an optional label. A label is not needed for the apartment title, so we will turn it off. In the body, add the featured image and the rooms field. Hide the label for the image, but keep it for rooms, where the label helps explain the displayed value. In the footer, add a button, Read More. The button links visitors to the full page of the selected apartment. In the workspace, select the Apartment A18 entity zone. Choose the apartment's post type, select Apartment A18, and assign the custom apartment template. The entity zone now uses our custom template. It displays the apartment title, featured image, number of rooms, and the Read More button. Templates are reusable and can be updated at any time. Return to the apartment template and add the status field to the body. Keep its label enabled, then save the template. After saving the template, the status field appears automatically on the front end. There is no need to edit the entity zone itself. Every zone using this template receives the updated structure. If a workspace contains many entity zones using the same type of content, configure the defaults in Workspace settings. Set the default post type to Apartments and the default template to Apartment Template. This saves time and helps prevent configuration mistakes when adding multiple similar entity zones. Entity templates can also display WooCommerce product data. Create another template and name it WooCommerce Product Template. Add the product title to the header and turn its label off. In the body, add the product image, short description, and price. Hide the labels for the image and description, but keep the price label where it provides useful context. In the footer, add the Add to Cart action. This allows visitors to add the selected product directly from the interactive image. On the front end, the entity zone displays the complete product template. Visitors can review the product details and add it to the cart without leaving the workspace. Use the default template for a ready-made layout, or create custom templates when you need control over entity content. Templates are reusable, easy to update, and can be adapted with labels and custom CSS for different types of WordPress content. Visit WPInSpot.com for more tutorials, documentation, and practical examples.